Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error your device isn't compatible with this version on your Android, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just clear your cache and data on your Google Play Store. For that, you have to just long press on Play Store. After that, you will find your app info. Tap on that. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you can see storage and cache. Tap on this. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete this, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. After tapping delete, your Google sign in will be logged out from your Google Play Store, and again you have to sign in. Then tap on delete and go back. After that, you have to tap on the settings. Scroll down. In this you can see your system update. Tap on this. Check if there is any pending update for your Android. If there is any pending update from here, you can update it from here. After updating, restart your mobile. After completion of this update, you have to long press on your Play Store icon. Click on app info. In top right side corner, you will see three dots. Tap on this. Then tap on uninstall updates. After that, your Google Play Store update will be uninstalled and you can try it. Hope your issue will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your device isn't compatible with this version. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.